Natural remedy for sagging eyelids. You will see results in 2 minutes. A beautiful face is everyone's dream. However, over time the skin starts to change due to factors such as the aging process or long-term lifestyle habits. The first place where signs of aging can be seen is the eye area. The eyelids are part of a ring of muscle which encircles the eye. This muscle allows you to open and close your eyes. There are many factors which can cause drooping of eyelids, such as normal cellular aging, heredity issues, diabetes, stroke, Horner syndrome, brain tumor. Moreover, the drooping eyelids makes the muscles of eye tired, causes fatigue, and it is also more difficult to apply makeup. There are several non-surgical options to rejuvenate a droopy upper eyelids. We present you the best natural remedy for sagging eyelids and hooded eyes. All you need is one ingredient: the white part of an egg. The white part of the egg is very effective in making the skin firm and tighten. Recipe for sagging eyelids. Ingredients: 1 egg white, 1 cotton swab. Instructions: clean the eyelid using warm water and remove the makeup if any. Then, crack the egg and separate white part from the yolk. Mash the egg white until you get a thick paste. Dip the cotton swab into the paste of egg white and hold it on your closed eyelid. Hold it until the egg white dries and sticks to your eyelid. You can repeat the process for a couple of times and then wash your face and eyelid with warm water. With daily use of this remedy, you'll eliminate sagging eyes. After applying an egg white on your eyelids, you will see results in a few minutes, and sometimes the results have lasted for 2 days from the applying day. The result is really surprising. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.